Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome. My name is Neetu and this channel is all about building lean muscle mass to gain weight, lose weight and tone up. Today's video is my all-time favorite shoulders and arms workout to build muscle and thickness in those areas. So if you're someone who has a smaller upper body and have been wanting to gain weight there, then please stay tuned because that is exactly what I will be showing you today. Before I take you to my little workout space, I really wanted to say this out loud. Building muscle mass is for your overall body. I hear girls say they want to improve their upper body or their lower body, which is great, but that means your goals are focused into the particular body part you want to train, but that doesn't mean you eliminate the rest of the muscle groups. So make sure you're training your whole body and building muscle all over. That being said, I have this amazing workout on this channel, so definitely check it out, and I have many more on my Instagram page, so definitely go and check it out to ensure you work on overall muscle building and not leave any muscle group unloved. With that out of the way, now let's get into the workout. Let's go!
It's always best to start with an exercise that requires the most energy, hence why I'm starting here with a clean and press. With an overhand grip on the bar, do a forearm curl, bringing the bar to the neck and then pressing the weight up and squeezing the shoulders. Make sure to grip nicely on the bar and press through the palm during the shoulder press. I'm also kneeling here as I'm trying to remove any unnecessary swinging during the movement. Second exercise is the military press, which is like a regular shoulder press, but instead of bringing the bar in the front, you are lowering it in the back of the head. A shoulder press hits all heads of the shoulder, but not as much the rear delts, but these military presses, they definitely hit the rear delts for me. Make sure to keep your back nice and straight and do not lean forward while lowering the bar. Lower the bar just where the nape of the neck is and then press the weight up and squeeze the shoulders. Third exercise in this workout is an underhand shoulder press. This grip focuses more on the front delts, and you will know what I mean when you perform this yourself. It burns real crazy. Again, make sure you are holding the bar with a good grip, meaning with nice closed fists, and focus on pressing through the palm during the shoulder press. Lower the arms down just where they are either parallel to the ground or a little lower and press back up. Also, you can see on the screen how many sets and reps you should be doing. Just ensure to take about 45 seconds to a minute rest in between each set. Now moving on to our first superset of this workout. Now superset is where you perform 2 exercises back to back without any rest in between. Starting off with some front raises. Lift the weights using your shoulders. Try not to use arms too much to lift the weight. Bring arms up just where they are parallel to the ground and slowly lower them. Keep a slight bend in your elbows to avoid any unnecessary pressure on the joints. Without taking any rest, move on to some lateral or side raises. Again, focusing on lifting the weights using your shoulders, bring arms up where they are parallel to the ground and lower. Now make sure to keep your elbow in line with your forearm at the top of the movement, meaning the full arm will be engaged and all muscles will be working. Moving into the second superset of this workout, which is our bicep work. First exercise of this superset is some bicep curls where the forearms are angled outwards. Keep elbows tucked to your sides and extend your arm right above your thighs. Slowly curl the biceps, bringing the weight all the way up to the shoulder and focus on squeezing the bicep in every curl. Keep your abs nice and tight as this will help keeping your whole body still and will remove any unnecessary movement. Second exercise of this superset is bicep curls with forearms angled inwards. Same posture and trick for this one as well. Just keeping your elbows tucked to your sides, curl the biceps and squeeze at the top of the movement. Focus on pressing with your palms for more stress on your biceps and for a better burn. Moving on to our last superset, which will be our tricep work. Starting with some tricep dips, grab a chair or a bench and rest your palms onto it. 2 things to focus on while doing this exercise. 1, to keep your body as close as possible to the chair, and 2, to dig the palms into the chair while lifting yourself up and squeeze them triceps at the top of the movement. Instead of leaning forward, drop your body weight into your hips, which will help keep the body close to the bench and put all the stress on the triceps. Now, second exercise of this superset is overhead tricep extensions. How you hold the weight makes a lot of difference in this exercise. See, the way I'm holding the dumbbell is making sure the plate is landing on my palm so I can press the weight up using my palms and squeeze the triceps when the arms are fully extended. Try not to lock the elbows during the overhead extension. Lower the weight just enough where you feel a good stretch in the triceps and lift them back up. Another important thing is to keep your elbows as close as possible to your head and avoid spreading out.
That was the whole workout, you guys. Now, only doing this workout won't automatically build muscle on you. You will need to feed yourself appropriate nutrition for your muscles to actually repair and grow. Meaning you will need to consume a lot more calories to be able to gain muscle mass or to gain weight. If you want to know my tips and tricks that I follow to consume 2500 calories a day easily, then keep an eye out for my next video where I'll be talking exactly how to consume 2500 calories in a day to gain weight. So go ahead and subscribe to my channel and let me know in the comments below if you have any questions or concerns or any recommendations for future videos. Alright guys, till next time, stay fit, stay fierce, bye.